Have you ever made a comment on Reddit that you regretted? Or maybe you just want to clean up your commenting history. Either way, it's easy to delete comments on the Reddit app. In this video, I will show you how. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to learn how to delete comments on Reddit in just a few simple steps. First of all, let's open up the Reddit mobile application, and then tap on your avatar icon at the top right corner of the screen. And then from these options, tap on My Profile. Once you are on your Reddit profile, tap on where it says Comments, and it will show you the comments that you posted on Reddit. So go ahead and tap on the comment that you want to delete. And it will open up that Reddit post that you commented on. So now in order to delete the comment, simply tap on these three little dots and a bunch of options will appear. Simply tap on Delete, and then tap on Delete one more time, and that will get rid of that specific comment. So if you have a lot of comments that you want to delete, you have to delete them one by one. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.